Welcome to our comparison of the HAVA countertop dishwasher and the Midea MDC 22P1ABB. Today, we'll dive into the features of these two portable dishwashers, focusing on their capacity, price, and noise levels. Whether you're living in a small apartment, dorm, or RV, finding the right dishwasher can make a significant difference in your daily life. Let's see how these two models stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the HAVA countertop dishwasher can accommodate up to 4 place settings, making it suitable for smaller households or individuals. In contrast, the Midea MDC 22P1ABB offers a larger capacity of 6 place settings, which is ideal for families or those who entertain guests frequently. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your dishwashing experience, especially if you often have a full load of dishes to clean. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The HAVA countertop dishwasher is priced at $399, while the Midea MDC 22P1ABB comes in at a more budget-friendly $309. If you're looking for a more economical option without sacrificing essential features, the Midea may be the better choice for your wallet. Finally, let's talk about noise levels. The HAVA countertop dishwasher operates at 60 decibels, which can be a bit noisy, especially in smaller living spaces. On the other hand, the Midea MDC 22P1ABB is quieter at 52 decibels, making it a more suitable option for those who value a peaceful environment while doing the dishes. This difference can enhance your overall experience, particularly if you plan to run the dishwasher during the night or while entertaining. In conclusion, both the HAVA countertop dishwasher and the Midea MDC 22P1ABB offer unique advantages. If you prioritize a larger capacity and quieter operation, the Midea is a fantastic choice. However, if you're looking for a compact model with a child lock and delayed start function, the HAVA might be the one for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like